Are you worried about your child's weight gain and energy levels? Ever wondered if there could be a simple, delicious solution to this? Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to share a recipe that not only helps in healthy weight gain, but also boosts energy and brain growth. This powerhouse recipe is none other than the Protein Packed Banana Smoothie. Now imagine a combination of ripe bananas, creamy peanut butter, and wholesome oats, all blended together into a smooth, creamy concoction. That's what we're making today. It's easy, it's quick, and it's nutritious. Start by grabbing 2 ripe bananas. Peel them and break them into chunks. Bananas are an excellent source of carbohydrates and potassium, essential for energy and maintaining a healthy weight. Next, reach for a 1/4 cup of all-natural peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good source of protein and healthy fats, crucial for weight gain and brain development. Add it to the bananas. Then add a 1/4 cup of rolled oats to the mix. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber, helping to maintain a healthy digestive system. Now pour in a cup of your favorite milk. This could be cow's milk, almond milk, or soy milk. Milk provides a great source of calcium for strong bones and teeth. To sweeten things up, add a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. These natural sweeteners give the smoothie a delightful sweetness and provide additional energy. Finally, for a flavor boost, sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Explanation: the B-roll should change after the line, "Finally, for a flavor boost, sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon." Now it's time to blend. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it, a protein-packed banana smoothie that's perfect for breakfast, snack, or even dessert. In a nutshell, this smoothie is a combination of bananas for energy, peanut butter for protein and healthy fats, oats for fiber, milk for calcium, and honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. So, why is this smoothie so beneficial? Well, it's packed with nutrients that promote healthy weight gain and boost energy levels. The protein in the peanut butter aids in muscle growth and repair, while the carbohydrates in the bananas provide a steady energy supply. Plus, the healthy fats in the peanut butter are great for brain development. And the best part? It's kid-friendly. The sweet, creamy taste of this smoothie is sure to be a hit with your little ones. So the next time you're worried about your child's weight or energy levels, whip up this protein-packed banana smoothie. It's a delicious, nutritious solution that your child will love. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, all it takes is a blender and a few nutritious ingredients.